What is up mga kagitarisma? In this video ay ituturo ko sa inyo yung chords ng kantang Pinoy Ako, which is yung theme song ng PBB. First things first, sa mga hindi pa nakapanood nung intro tutorial sa kanta na ito, pwede nyo puntahan, nandito lang po yan sa profile natin. So, ang chords ng kantang Pinoy Ako ay napakasimple lang. 4 lang yung gagamitin natin for the entire song. From verse hanggang matapos na yan. Okay? So, ang first chord natin ay D. Next chord natin ay F sharp minor. Kung nahirapan kayo sa bar chords, ganito na lang gawin ninyong version ng F sharp minor para mas madali. Yan, yung ring finger mo dito sa 2nd string, 3rd fret. Yan. And then yung iyong middle finger, ilagay mo sa 2nd fret, 3rd string. And then yung hintuturo mo dito sa 6th string, 2nd fret. Yan. So, ganito na lang gamitin natin para mas madali. The next chord natin ay E minor. And then yung last chord natin is G. Yan. So, D, F sharp minor, E minor, and then G. Para naman sa strumming pattern natin, ito yon. Down, down, up, up, down, up. Ulitin ko. Down, down, up, up, down, up. After that, lipat tayo sa next chord. So, sundan na lang natin itong chords na ito tsaka yung strumming pattern na yan para magawa natin yung verse hanggang sa outro ng kantang ito. Let's try this pattern. In 3, 2, 1, go. Down, down, up, up, down, up. Next chord. Down, down, up, up, down, up. Next chord. Down, down, up, up, down, up. Next chord. Down, down, up, up, down, up. Ngayon ang gagawin naman natin ay bibilisan natin, pagdudugtungin natin lahat itong strumming pattern at saka mga chords nang walang pause. Okay? In 3, 2, 1, go. Down, down, up, up, down, up, 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 down, down, up, up, down, up. At ngayon na alam mo na yung strumming pattern at yung chords ng kantang ito, hayaan mong sabayan mo kung tugtugin natin ang kantang Pinoy Ako by Orange and Lemons. Before I let you go, I just want you to know that time is more important than money. Kasi ang pera napapalitan, pero ang oras, pagka lumipas na, hindi na pwedeng balikan.